To be able to explain the relationship between two digits and a number, you can use the strategy to write your number into a place value chart. So I have 385 and 539. I've written it on two different place value charts. The next step is I like to underline the digit that I'm comparing. This is looking at the relationship between the two fives, the digit 5 and the other digit 5. I'm going to explain how I can compare these or explain the relationship. I know that the 5 in the ones place has a value of 5 ones. I know that the value of the 5 in the tens place is a value of 5 tenths. Right here, I see that if I draw an arrow to show how much greater the 5 in the ones place is, I can write a multiplication, and I know that it is 10 times greater. So I can say 5 ones are 10 times greater than the digit 5 that is in the tenths place. I can also digit in the tenths. The tenths place. I also see here that I could write it a different way. I could go the opposite direction, and I could say the 5 in the tenths place is 1/10 the value of the 5 in the ones place. Okay, so you could have something like that. The value of the 5 in the ones place is 5. The value of the 5 in the tens place is 5 tenths. 5 ones are 10 times greater than 5 tenths. Or you could say 5 ones right here is the greater amount. It's 10 times greater. If I go the opposite direction, I know right here 5 tenths is 1/5 of 5 ones.